Little Early English Education.
Hello, super learners! Today we're going to draw and color a brand new number block, Numberblock 2200. Let's get started. First, we draw a big rectangle for Numberblock 2200's body.
We draw is magic. Every stroke is clean and slow. Drawing makes our world creative. This is how
Nice and steady. Inside the rectangle, draw one vertical line and 4 horizontal lines. These lines create the large block sections.
to delight. We can shade it, we can blend it, make the colors match and mix.
Now draw one more box in the center. This box represents the 200 tiny blocks area. Now draw 40 vertical lines carefully. These lines make the full grid structure. 1, 2, 3,
Number blocks can teach us counting. Number blocks
4,
can make us stand. Every color brings a feeling.
5,
Every line brings new design. Learning math and art together
6,
makes the brain and heart align. Counting
7,
higher, counting further. 20, 30, 40 more.
8,
Numbers rising like a tower. Bigger blocks than ever
9,
before. Fill the colors in between. Keep it
10,
neat and keep it right. Drawing number blocks together
11,
is a happy, joyful sight.
12, 13, 14,
Color corner, color center. Fill each box
15,
from left to right. Make the picture super pretty.
16,
Shining, glowing, clean and bright. We are artists, we
17,
are learners. We are builders full of dreams. Drawing
18,
and coloring number blocks is stronger than it seems.
19,
Mix the warm and mix the cool. Use the crayons
20,
in a line. Use your
21,
markers, use your pencils. Make the drawing look divine.
22,
When we focus, when we try, when we
23,
learn and when we play. Number blocks make funny moments.
24,
Every single drawing day. Now we finish one
25,
creation, but tomorrow we will draw again. We will
26,
color something bigger, maybe 50, maybe 10.
27,
Art and learning walk together, both combine as one
28,
big power. Coloring number blocks makes every minute
29,
like a flower. Coloring count,
30,
count and color, just like this and like no other.
31,
Numbers building fun, every block is numbered
32,
one. La, la, la,
33,
la, 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 la,
34,
la, la, la. Let's draw the number blocks
35,
nicely on the page. Rectangle shapes, we begin step by step like a stage.
36,
Line goes up, line goes down, every block in the right space.
37,
Drawing is fun and slow. We don't need to rush the pace.
38,
Color inside, stay inside, make it bright just like the sun. Red, blue, yellow,
39,
green, coloring time
and
is fun.
40.
Number blocks appear alive. Every number we
Great
create.
job!
One by one,
Next,
come
draw
alive. This magic
55
feels so
horizontal
great.
lines.
Color, color, color,
All right,
soft and
everyone,
soft and
let's
clean and
count
bright.
together.
Use your crayons, use your
40,
markers, make your picture feel just right. Shine the picture, let it glow. This
80,
drawing time feels so alive. Number blocks are happy friends.
120,
Count with me, 1 to 10.
160,
11, 12, 13, 14.
200, 240, 280, 320, 360, 400, 440, 480, 520, 560, 600, 640, 680, 720, 760, 800, 840, 880, 920, 960, 1000, 1040, 1080, 1120, 1160, 1200, 1240, 1280, 1320, 1360, 1400, 1440, 1480, 1520, 1560, 1600, 1640, 1680, 1720, 1760, 1800, 1840, 1880, 1920, 1960, 2000, 2040, 2080, 2120, 2160, and 2200. Wow, we reached. Now let's draw the face area. First, outline the top center area using bold lines so we know exactly where the face goes. Time to draw the glasses. 2 big circles and the frame in the middle. Looking smart already. Inside the glasses, draw 2 eyes. Big circles, pupils in the center. So cute. Now draw the eyebrows right above the glasses. A little curve makes them friendly. Let's add 2 hands on the sides. Now draw a happy smile. Add a little cheek line and the inside smile line. Perfect! And 2 little legs with shoes at the bottom. Number block 2200 is taking shape. At the top, write number block 2200. Fantastic work! You've drawn number block 2200. Now let's color him in and bring him to life. Start coloring. Use black, B-L-A-C-K, to color the outline and bold areas. Can you find something black near you? Point to it. Let's count 5 coloring strokes together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now use purple, P-U-R-P-L-E, to color the eyebrows, glasses, hands, and legs. What are we coloring now? Glasses or legs? Say it out loud. P-U-R-P-L-E.
Mix the colors all together, light and dark and warm and hot. Drawing makes us smile wide, coloring makes us feel alive. Number blocks are happy blocks, they make learning really thrive. 1 little block, 2 little blocks, 3 and 4 and 5 in line. 6 and 7, 8 and 9, 10 together looking fine. Add them, stack them, count them tall, numbers growing.
Now choose pink, P-I-N-K, and color the smile area. Smile while you color. Big smile.
We can shade, we can mix the colors bright. We can make new combinations, make the picture shine in light. Drawing slowly, coloring softly, take your time and stay in groove. When we
Now use red, R-E-D, to color the inside watch area and the shoe lines at the bottom. Is red a warm color? Yes, it is.
Drawing helps us think creative. Coloring helps us shape our mind. Every stroke and every line makes new knowledge we can find. Now we finish, now we smile. Look how nice our work became. Every number block we
Okay,
color
super
is
learners.
unique and not
Now
the same.
we are starting
We
the
can draw
biggest
and
coloring
color up.
part.
We can
Pick
color
light
every
orange,
day.
L-I-G-H-T-O-R-A-N-G-E. This color is for the main body of number block 2200. That means lots of coloring. So let's play many mini games while we color. Let's color slow and neat. No rushing. I will count to 10. Try to stay inside the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great control. Keep going. While we color, let's think about a big number. This area is 2,000 blocks. Say it with me. 2,000. Again, louder. 2,000. Wow, that's a big number. Let's pretend each big section is 100 blocks. We will count by hundreds while we color. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Keep coloring. 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. Halfway there. Amazing. Pause coloring for a second. Stretch your fingers, wiggle them, shake your hands. Now, back to coloring. Listen carefully. When I say fast, color quickly. When I say slow, color carefully. Fast, 2 seconds. Slow, 3 seconds. Fast, slow. Great listening skills. Can you find something light orange around you? Maybe clothes, maybe a toy, maybe a pencil? Point to it. Let's jump through numbers while we color. 1,000, 1,500, 2,000. Again, 1,000, 1,500, 2,000. Yes, you're doing math while coloring. Let's say 2,000 in different ways. 2,000, 20 hundreds, 200 tens. Say one with me. Stop coloring for a second. Look at your work. Are there any white spaces? Any tiny gaps? Fix them carefully. Start coloring again. I will say something. You say yes or no. Is 2,000 bigger than 100? Yes. Is 2,000 smaller than 500? No. Is this the biggest color area? Yes. Now, let's color quietly for 5 seconds. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Beautiful focus. Let's finish this section together. Count down with me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. Wow, you just colored the biggest part of number block 2200. That light orange area represents 2,000 blocks, and you colored all of it. Give yourself a clap.
Let's draw the number blocks nice and neat on the page. Rectangle shapes, we begin step by step like a stage. Line goes up, line goes down, every block in the right space. Boring is fun
finally pick orange, O-R-A-N-G-E, use colors the 200 tiny blocks are colored orange. Which is darker, orange or light orange? Point to the darker one.
Start again. 11, 12, 13, 14. Every block becomes a friend. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 22. Numbers grow and numbers show what we can learn and what we do. Shape it, shade it, color in. Number blocks are full of fun. Red next, blue next, yellow next. Color every single one. Step by step and block by block. Count them slow, then count them fast. We are learning all the numbers. This knowledge always stays and lasts.
All done! Great job drawing and coloring Numberblock 2200. You colored, counted, and played mini games. Amazing work!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
While coloring, 2200 means 2200 equals 22 hundreds equals 2000 plus 200. 2000 plus 200 equals 2200. I'm made of lots and lots of blocks. 2200. That's 22 squares of hundreds. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more drawing and coloring fun. See you next time, Super Learners!
Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.